Sun bear, penguin, lion, giraffe, orangutan, tiger, elephant, meerkat. Alexandria, could you show Mommy the penguin? Good job. And where's the lion? Where's the lion? Yay! Where's the giraffe? Yay! That's the rhino, yes. Where's the crocodile? Where's the big crocodile? Good job. Where's the rhino? Yay! Where is the elephant? Where's the sun bear? Yay! Show Mama the sun bear. Yay!
Good girl.
Where is the meerkat? Where's the meerkat? Yay! Where's the tiger? Rawr, tiger. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, these are the ones exclusive to Australia. Do you remember where the Numbat is? Where's the Numbat? Yay! And the Quokka. Where's the Quokka? That's the Numbat. Where's the Quokka? Yay! And where's the orangutan?